Hi everyone and welcome to this evening's video. I'm going to be doing a Valentine's Day eye look today with the Nikki Tutorials palette. Now I hope I'm not shouting still. My ears were clear and lovely yesterday and then today it's all gone wrong again. And they're not totally blocked, but you know, you can tell when they're gone. And I'm a little bit croaky because I've got a bit of a throat infection, a bit of a cold going on. So we've got that to deal with. Yesterday I sounded like a female version of Barry White. Anyway, so I'm going to be using the Nikki palette. Now I will try not to blind you with this mirror. As you know, it's not the easiest, but it looks like this. And I'm just going to do a look with it. So I'm primed and ready to go. So I'm going to use my fluffy brush. And I have a hitchy knee. Oh. Anyway, so got my little mirror. So the first colour I'm going in with is this colour here called Sona. Or is it Soma? Soma. And it's a peachy shade. And I wonder if I could put that on there. Help. Aha. There we go. Okay, so I've got as much lighting going on as I possibly can. So I'm just going to pop this on all the way over on my crease. I really love this palette so much. It's one of my favourites. It's just gorgeous. I did the colour wheel, not the colour wheel. Well, it's a wheel thing where you choose, where you put in random things and it chooses it for you. And I did that to choose my February's 5 palettes. And I was really hoping it would pick Nick Tutorials, but it didn't. Yeah, I'm just going to pop a bit more on. The lighting on this side's a bit shadowy, so that's why sometimes it doesn't look quite as done as it should be. Now, I'm not sure if I'm doing a whole face today because it's evening time and I don't know if I fancy doing a whole face. It might just be the eyes today, even though I really do need concealer. I've not been sleeping the greatest. Okay. 6 hours is about all I'm managing. Just get rid of the kickback. Right, okay, so I'm now going to go in with, I'm toying with the idea of the pink or the purple. Let's see. It's a nice purple there. No, I'm going to carry on with the pink today. So I'm going to use Blend and Snap, which is here. And I'm just going to put that on the outer corner. Wow, that is just the most gorgeous shade. And these blend like a dream. You know when you've got one of those palettes where you need a quick look for the day and you just need it to blend the way you want it to? Well, this is one of them. Regardless of the fact that it's pressed pigment, it just does the job. That is beautiful. Just a light bit of pink. I'm going to just try and blend that together a little bit to make it where there's no join. I think it's just about as good as I'm going to get with this lighting, to be honest. Yeah, I like that. When I get up to my lighting, I might see it a bit better. Got a really small ring light there and a bigger one at the back. Thank goodness for ring lights. Just going to pop a little bit there again. There we are. So that's that shade there. So I'm going to go in with a shimmer, well, a couple of shimmers. And I am first going to go in with, I think that's a peach. Yeah, it looks peachy. And it's called Roxy Catkin. Actually, no. I'm going to pop on Pride first. This one here. And that one's sort of got a blue shift. I'm going to use my finger. These are really good being used with a finger rather than the brush. Just look at that. That's gorgeous. So I'm going to pop that sort of 3/4 of the way on my eye and then to the outer corner. Oh, I'd forgotten how beautiful this shade is. Oh, how stunning. Wow. And do the same with this side. Words cannot express how gorgeous this is in real life. In person, wow. I'm not sure if you're all picking that up as well as I'm seeing it. Wow, that is really nice. Just do my usual, you know, just pop a bit more on. Nothing wrong with getting it intense. Okay, so the next shade I am going in with is Roxy Catkin. Catan. I can't pronounce the words today. And I am going to pop that on in a corner and then try and do it where it sort of joins up with a crease. And it looks really pretty. It's more peachy than pink. It's showing pink on the camera for some reason. Wow. If you haven't got this palette yet, I'd highly recommend, I really would. If you're not a beginner in makeup though, it's more for that you're used to putting makeup on your face, if you know what I mean. I'm not going to say professional or anything because I'm in nowhere means professional. Not sure if that's picking up as well on camera, really not. I think it has. Using the wrong finger probably doesn't help. Just pat it down. So hopefully it's joining lines together. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Okay, so let's take the tape off. Oh, that was really digging in my eye at the corner. Really digging in. Let's get some wipes. And then, I'll tell you what, I'll do this clean up off camera. And I'll be back with you in a moment. So, I've just put on... Okay, just popped on that shade Ivy on the inner corner and on the brow bone. I've also popped on Blend and Snap on the lower lash line. I've done my mascara and my brows. Yeah, not the worst I've ever done. And so I'm going to just pop on some blusher and some highlighter and some lipstick. So I'm going to go in with the shade Well from this Revolution palette. And I'm not going to tap in too heavily because it's quite pigmented. Yeah, probably need a bit more, don't I? I'll just pop in lightly again. Because if you go too heavy with this one, you'll end up with clown season. Yeah, I think the lighting's just throwing it off. No. Move it around a bit. Maybe that helps. It doesn't help me any. I'm not sure if I need to move around a bit in this room. Film somewhere, maybe it's a bit lighter. I don't know. Not much choice, to be honest. It's because I've not been able to film today until this evening, so it doesn't help with that either. Okay. Now going to go in with this I Heart Revolution Gold Elixir palette for the highlighter, and I'm going in with that pink one there. You can get it more intense, or you could just leave it as is. Let's beam to the gods today. There we go. Now that's better. Pop a bit on Cupid's bow. Okay. And now I'm just going to pop on a lipstick. And I'm going to go in with the Cherries in the Snow from Revlon. There we go, such a pretty colour. It's probably a little bit much with this look, but it's a Valentine's Day look, so you want something a little bit bright. Okay, so this is a look. I'm going to go probably washing my face now because it's evening time. I don't really want makeup on right at this moment. That's why I didn't do a full face with foundation and stuff, because it's currently 6:20 at night and I just don't. So I hope that's okay. So I'm going to go. Please do all the good stuff, as it really does help out my channel. Please also consider subscribing. It is free, it won't cost you a penny, and I'd love to have you as part of my little family here on YouTube. Please also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I will see you again next time. Happy Valentine's Day. Take care everyone. Goodbye.